Hello children, in a friction we have next topic is work done to move a body on the rough surface. Let a body is placed on a rough surface. mg's weights acting downward. Capital R is normal reaction. P is the applied force. Due to this applied force, S is the displacement, or we can say F is frictional force in the opposite direction to the motion of the body. For the motion, the applied force that should be equal to the, at least should be equal to the frictional force. We know F is equal to mu into R and R is equal to mg. Now work done, that is equals to applied force into distance. Let the distance is S, so W will be P into S. Put the value of P, mu mg into S. So relation for the work done, that will be W is equal to mu mg into S. Next topic is work done to move a body up on the inclined plane. Let the body is moving up. P is the applied force and the body cover a distance AC. Its weight mg is acting downward. This is angle theta, angle of inclination. Resolve mg into two component, mg cos theta, second is mg sin theta. This is normal reaction. If the body is moving upward, then force of friction is the opposite direction. So now we can write that this applied force is equal to mg sin theta plus force of friction. Force of friction is mu into R and we know R is mg cos theta. Now work done, applied force into distance, that is AC. Put the value of P, mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta into AC. This is the required relation for the work done.